Have you always wanted to master Adobe Illustrator but often find it overwhelming and time consuming? Well, fear not. I'm Alice Thorpe and I'm a full-time graphic designer and YouTuber. I have over 10 years of experience using Adobe products, and on my channel I have shared my design knowledge with millions of creatives. I teach people how to develop their talents, earn money from their artwork, and most importantly, to create a life that they truly love. I have put together 5 easy shortcuts that you probably didn't know about to make your Adobe Illustrator experience a whole lot more enjoyable. Automate tasks with actions. An action is a function that allows you to record a process and then play it back when you need it. It could be a simple task such as scaling an object, or it could be exporting to a specific file format. To do this, just go to the Actions panel, which you can find in Windows, then Actions, create a new action, title it with a clear name, hit record, and then do the steps that you want Illustrator to save. Once you're finished, press the stop button. Then, next time you need to complete that command, you can simply press play and Illustrator will do the work for you. Utilize the global editing tool. With this tool, you can edit a group of similar objects all at the same time without having to group or spend time selecting them individually. To use the global editing tool, select the object that you wish to edit, then in the Properties panel or by navigating to Select, Start Global Edit, you can edit these objects together. This tool can be used for almost anything, including changing colours, editing shapes, text, and so on. Save time and effort with the Blend tool. The Blend tool can be used to create a series of lines between any two objects, blending into one another. To do this, choose the Blend tool, click both of the objects, and then the blend will be created. You can adjust the settings as required in the Blend Options panel, or by double-clicking the icon in the Tools panel and finding a setting that suits you. Experiment with colour by using the Recolor Artwork tool. With your artwork selected, go to the Properties panel and select Recolor, or go to the Edit menu and select Recolor Artwork. A pop-up menu will appear that allows you to change each colour individually or the whole selection at once. This feature allows you to rapidly change colours without having to go into each shape one by one. Finally, take time to learn and get into the habit of using keyboard shortcuts. Start off simple by using the shortcuts for your most used tools. Then, once you've got the hang of those, you can work on incorporating more into your workflow. My favourites are P for the pen tool and I for the eyedropper. Eventually, these shortcuts will become second nature and you'll wonder how you used to use Illustrator without them. P.S. I've also created a cheat sheet full of useful shortcuts. If you've enjoyed the tips in this video, then you'll love my new online course all about the fundamentals of Adobe Illustrator. You'll play with things like vectors, text, effects, and you'll take part in a number of interactive workshops so you can create your very own logo and branding elements from start to finish. Sounds good, right? What are you waiting for? Click the link to find out more.